What's up, guys? Welcome back to NTLP. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. So just a quick little video here today, especially to everyone who has entered the limited edition Fort Saskatchewan print giveaway. Is just brought to my attention that somebody has spoofed or spammed my website and Facebook page, apparently, trying to get your guys' information. We never ask, or I never asked for your credit card information. I never asked you for registration or anything. The only thing that you need to do to enter this giveaway is comment on my YouTube video, that Fort Sask one that I posted earlier. Hashtag NTLP Fort Sask 2021. That's it. So I'm just cautioning you guys to if you guys do see an ad or if you receive a message, I never directly message anybody on Facebook unless you direct message me first. So I'm not pushing anything onto you guys, but apparently these assholes are. So first thing here is, if you guys do come across this this ad, it says Nick Taylor Landscape Dash Photography. My official Facebook page does not have a dash in it, so just keep that in mind. Underneath it says, for all the lucky ones today, we'll randomly select people to receive gifts. Congratulations to the selected people. And I just added as friends. Step 1, register to blah, 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 blah. That is not me. If you did receive a message from, again, Nick Taylor Landscape Dash Photography, that's not me. Congratulations, blah, 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 blah. It's basically the same thing that they said on that post. This is not me. The official winners will be announced on my website. Links are in the description below, so make sure you check that out. The giveaway announcement is not until February 15, so I don't know. So by chance, if you guys did click on one of the links, it's going to pull you to a website that's been poorly designed. I would never, ever had something like this. No. This is giveaway. Hello, everybody. Register yourself to win my event. I don't need registration. I just asked you guys to comment on my YouTube video. That's it. And then, yeah, you scroll down some more. It says click here to register now. Do not click that. It's going to ask you for, I believe, your email, your name, your phone number, credit card information. Don't do it. Also, finally, just to give you guys even more of a heads up, Nick Taylor Landscape Dash Photography. This is not me at all. My official Facebook page, all of the intro links here, has my website, has my official Instagram, all that good stuff. And I believe this is the... Oh, they really copied everything. Everything. Although I did post that landscape photography beginner's guide like 2 weeks ago, not 2 hours ago. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So guys, please be careful. Follow the links in the description below under this video for the official giveaway website. So do that. Please be careful. And if you have any questions, if you have hey, was this you, send it to me. I'll say yes or no. But just as a heads up, I don't direct message anyone unless you direct message me first. So yeah, the internet, it's crazy. It's awesome. I mean, if it wasn't for the internet, I wouldn't be able to share all these photos of Fort Saskatchewan with you guys. But on the downside, people spam, spoof, and steal copyrighted images. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it at that. Like I said, if you have any questions, send me an email, shoot me a message on Facebook, comment down below underneath this video. I'll respond to it. And yeah, good luck to everybody who entered the giveaway. The amount of support and has just been mind-blowing. So thank you guys. So I'm going to leave it at that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.